Oh, what's up, y'all? Domino here. Okay. On Facebook Live, vlogging on the bus. Okay. So, I'm on the bus right here, right down the street from where I stand, you know. All right. So, by the hospital. Yeah. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm on my way to Kenner because I'm going to a Seeker ball games if I wanted to get one, you know. So yeah. So y'all know I'll be doing my gaming, but if y'all watching this on Facebook, y'all watch my gaming channel. If you're watching it on my gaming channel, y'all already know. Okay. So if y'all watching this on my other channel, y'all subscribe to my other channel called Domino 866 Gameplay. Okay. I haven't done a Facebook Live in a long time. Yep. People out here walking their dogs and stuff. Yep. I'm on 2-lane if y'all wondering. Yep, I'm on 2-lane. Okay. So yeah, like they say, you never know who's watching this, you know. Y'all wondering where I'm going? Where am I going? I love to take a ride, you know. Yeah, to get out of the parish and stuff like that. So I know y'all be like, where you going and stuff like that, you know. I'm going where I'm going. Ta-da. You know. So oh, look what's up. There's so many people walking out here, you know. Big Easy Food Mart. Yep. Yeah, it's good. There's probably no, there ain't no pool over there. Well, there was a pool, you know. U-Haul station here. You know. Yep. All right, so and some of y'all already know if y'all been watching my videos, you know. Yep, I had fun by my auntie house though, and our party and stuff like that, celebrating her birthday. You know, I sure miss my mama though, you know. Yeah, I still do. What business that was? I forgot what that was. Yeah. So as I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, though, you know, I just love doing my show, you know. Love traveling, and everything else, you know. So let y'all people know this pandemic's still going on, you know. That's why I'm wearing this mask, you know. And some nincompoop idiot, whatever, was talking about COVID ain't here. I hope he watching this video though. He might talk smack on this video, but I got something for him. You know. Next time I saw him at his job, but he lucky that he was on the clock. I would have told him something. You know, he was hiding his face like this. You know, that's what he was doing. You know. So like I say, this pandemic is still going on, you know. Okay. What's all this? All right. I think they had a repass over there for somebody. Or something like this. Dolly devotion. All right. So as I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, you know, I got to be a little whatever the heck I'm trying to say, you know. So let y'all know Canal Furniture. Yeah, auntie and my mom always used to tell me, be careful of my surroundings, you know. That's exactly what I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen. You know. So like they say, you can't speak to everybody, you can't trust everybody, you know. But technically, everybody know me, you know. If they ever watch my show, you know. Too bad I've never been on national television, you know. Okay. Like 106 in Park, any news channels and stuff like that. Good morning Acadiana, good morning New Orleans, what Eyewitness Morning News or whatever, you know. Yeah, I'm very popular here, you know. Maybe I'll be popular everywhere I go, you know. Yeah, and I enjoy Fats Domino. I never had a chance to meet him. Yeah, my name Domino. I call myself Domino, but I never had a chance to meet Fats Domino, you know. Never had a chance, you know. And my auntie live around his house, you know. I think, you know. And this was where the Nike factory used to be, you know. So they moved it to Jefferson Parish, you know. Okay. So on that note, y'all, I'm just here riding and stuff like that, you know. So when push comes to shove, you gotta push or shove or whatever.
Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds.
So
use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer dispensers are available on all jet buses.
I don't know if y'all heard that or not, you know. I'm pretty sure y'all heard that, you know. So anyway, that's all I'm gonna talk about right now. So talk to y'all in Kenner, okay? All right, bye bye, y'all.